Oh man. That makes me sad. Something right. I picked the right socket on the first go. There, you get a battery. One that's split. So there's our leak. And believe it or not, it's just a small little thorn that's in there. Just a tiny little thorn. So, alright, well, I gotta go find my stuff. Alright, well, I feel like I've successfully lost everything that I own. So, but I was able to find an old kit from the old Honda four-wheeler I used to own. Patches. Alright, so we got our plug. Got her halfway in there. Make sure this is good. There we go. Voila. Or get me a knife. knife and cut off the excess there, but oh, gracious. Coyotes, I think. Sedona coyote. I can't hear with that hissing. Y'all hear anything? Good. G-U-D, good. Well, one of two problems fixed. Holy moly. Good thing I jacked that thing out. Check this out, y'all. Wow. It didn't tear the boot up, but whew. Hopefully I didn't tear this up. Got to manufacture a way to get it on there. Y'all ever have to let all the air out to get a tire back on something? I wish I had my kid. I'd just pull the cord real quick. I hope somebody can relate to wanting to do a project or just going about your business and then everything seems like it goes wrong. You should be able to find your joy in everything. Joy in it, I guess, right? This is the day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Look at there. We got it back on now. How many of y'all knew you could do that? I might not be a smart man, but I know if you let all the air out of a tire, you can get it back on the hub. Challenged at times. Why did I put that back on? Time will tell. Couple cold nights. We'll see if that works. That'll keep air in it, and then I won't have to come back out here with, oh, I'm ready to do this today and have a flat tire. Then I'll get my truck fixed on Wednesday or Thursday this week. Alright, now I gotta pick everything up.